So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to review this amazing laptop Dell Latitude 54110. It's a business laptop and quite powerful too. I just got this laptop from my office and just thought to make a video on that, and let's review this laptop since I'm a YouTuber. So without any further delay, let's start this video. Let's review this laptop, and in case you haven't subscribed my channel, so please go down and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon too for the notification. So let's talk about its build quality and design. All the frames are made up of plastic and it has a matte coating. Because of that it looks like a metal, but it's not. It's a plastic body, but because of its plastic body this laptop is not that heavy. Its weight is around 1.5 kg. So let's talk about its port and connectivity. On the left hand side you will get a charging port followed by type C connector, and you will get USB 3.0 port, and from this grill laptop heat will be come out. On the right hand side you will get security lock slot and one network slot where you can put your LAN cable. You will get one HDMI port and two USB 3.0 slot and 3.5 audio mm jack, and you will get a slot for SD card and SIM card. And on the top you will get a power button which has LED indicator. On the bottom side you will get two speaker grills. This laptop come up with 2 watt speaker, 1 watt each, and the audio output from these speakers is decent. It has soft touch backlight keyboard which is pretty good. You won't get tired while typing your mails, essay and whatever work you do. See, it's look very beautiful. I just love this. A disco light. The laptop mousepad is also look very decent. So this is the actual thickness of this laptop. This laptop come up with 500 GB SSD storage. So let's try to boot this laptop and let's see how much time does it take to start. All the SSD powered laptop mostly start in 10 seconds. So let's see how much time it takes. So it takes around 11 seconds to boot. That also not bad. So let me log in inside this laptop and I will show you the more configuration about this laptop. So let me go to my computer and I will show you the exact configuration about this laptop. It has Intel i7 10th generation processor which runs on 1.8 GHz clock speed. It has huge 32 GB DDR4 RAMs which runs on 2666 Hz speed. That is not bad if I am not wrong. So let me show you all. Its storage type is SSD. Usually in about section they don't mention this, so I have to go to PowerShell and run some command. So let me zoom in so that you guys can able to see. It has 14-inch Full HD IPS display, and trust me, picture quality in this laptop is amazing. I am playing my own video because of copyright strike. This video only having 720p resolution, that's why the picture quality is not that great in this video, but trust me, if you play any HD content in this laptop you will enjoy. Brightness can go up to 300 nits with refresh rate being 60 Hz. So let's do it quick performance testing on this laptop. I will try to open some of the application and let's see how much time does it take to start those application. Chrome started within a second. I will try to open Firefox. Firefox is also started within a second. As soon as I hit enter button in my laptop, the application started, and that's supposed to be happen because it's a i7 10th generation 32 GB RAM with powered by SSD. So you can see Excel is also started within a second. The response time is very quick, and this laptop is like performing very quick, man, seriously. So I will try to open some more application. I will try to open Word. It also open very quickly. You can see the performance is great in this laptop. And I will try to open some more application. Okay, I will try to open Adobe. That also open very quickly, you can see. So I don't think so performance while you will face any issue while performing your day-to-day task or whatever work you do, except graphic editing, because it don't have any dedicated graphic card. It using Intel Ultra HD graphic card. So that is okay like, but you can't perform high level graphic on that. But otherwise, except that factor, everything is great in this laptop. It has a HD webcam on the top. The quality of this webcam is average. It could have been better, but nevertheless overall laptop is great. There is a slider for the camera, so whenever you want you can open and close it based on your need. So in case you found this video useful and in case you like this Captain America wallpaper, so please like this video or subscribe to the channel.